Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the image generation language model on the Comet AI web browser, for example, if you're using it for creating images and pictures. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so here in the Comet AI browser, as you probably know, you can use the artificial intelligence, like in this case here, Perplexity, to enter your command here or your prompt and ask the artificial intelligence also to create images for you. And you can use various image generation models for that. So if you'd like to customize these settings, guys, you will need to be logged in with your Perplexity account here on Comet AI. If that's the case, click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to, let me find it, to preferences here inside your account settings. And there, guys, in the preference section, what you want to do is, let me find it here under artificial intelligence and model. Click into image generation model to the right, which is set to default. You may select one of these, like GPT-1 image or Flux or Nana, Banana, and so on and so forth. And yeah, simply use it, set it as your preferred image generation model. You can do also the same for the video generation model, and after that start using it here on your home screen or homepage of the Comet AI browser while being logged in with your Perplexity AI account. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.